Visionaries of Beauty, welcome to the channel. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm so glad you came by. So today is a collaboration with another Amazon company by the name of Lanyi. They reached out to me and sent me out this 12-inch bob lace front wig. It's the Lanyi human hair lace front wig, Brazilian virgin hair, short bob straight hair, glueless lace wig, 12-inch. Now this wig retails for about $88. Here is the packaging that I received it in. It's a little beat up. And I also received this wig cap. This hair is actually really soft. I do like it. It is bone straight. I feel like this hair is really dark. It almost comes across as like a 1B, maybe even borderline 1 for it to be virgin. But I will say it is, as you can see, it is really soft. The lace melts into your skin. The lace was done very well. As far as the color, it's like a light brown, but it really melts into my skin. I really do like that. You do have to remove the lace from the front of the perimeter of this wig. The parting space, you get about a good amount of parting space. You get all the way back here, so I want to take a good 4-inch of parting space within that front, which is always a plus, because if I wanted to wear it like a pony, like half hop down like that, I could definitely rock that. Now when I got the wig, it was slightly bumped, but I did go ahead and bump it again a little bit more to make it more defined. As you can see, it bumps and curls really well. As far as tangling, I'm not experiencing tangling. It comes with 4 combs, 2 at the temple, 1 at the top, and 1 at the back, with the standard adjustable straps. Now, big head friendly. This is big head friendly, so that is a plus. I'm gonna give you a close-up and then my 360, my pros and cons. So this is the hair up close. As you can see, it's really straight. This is a really good density. The knots are not bleached, so I will have to go back in later and do that. Now, as far as the parting space, goes all the way back here. So a good almost 5 inches of parting space. Then you can part it within that for about 4 lace front, and you get your lace on your edges about 2 inches wide right there. Now I will say, when I got this wig, it was a bit of a hump here. I have 2 braids right here, so it could be just my braid pattern. This has a lot of movement in this hair. Let me go ahead and give you my 360, so out in front. My only con, I think, for this wig is that the fact that the knots are not bleached and they are pretty defined. But, you know, I'll just go ahead and bleach them later on. I did notice that the bob could have been cut a little bit better, more asymmetrical. Because upon bumping it, it just, you know, flipped right here on the very tips of the front. But other than that, I do think this is a really good wig. It retails at $88, so around $88. If you have Amazon Prime, that's always a plus. I'll leave all information and link to purchase in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. And any details I might have not mentioned. If you would like to stay up to date with me, you can also follow me on my social media platforms at Annette Beauty on Instagram, Visionaries of Beauty on Facebook. I hope to see you guys there. Leave all your comments down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, stay fabulous, and I do mean fabulous, and be your own vision of beauty. Till next time, bye.